What's up, guys? This is a quick tutorial showing you how to use input field with text and add up numbers. Let's get right into it. First, go to UI and make a canvas and change screen space to camera and drag in the camera so it's easier to work with. Then make 2 UI TextMax Pro and 3 UI input field TMP Pros. I resized mine to make them easier for you to see, and I named my text word text and number text. And I name my input fields word input field, number 1 input field, and number 2 input field. Now change the content type of the number 1 and 2 input field that I placed on the right to integer. This makes sure the whole numbers can be entered and nothing else. Now make an empty object called the input field manager, and make an input field script and put it in the manager, and open up the script. In the script, add using UnityEngine.ui and using TMP Pro to the very top. And now we are going to get into the code. One quick heads up, normal text and TMP Pro text do not get along well, so make sure you're using all TextMesh Pro or all normal text. Now in the namespace, type public TMP underscore text, word text, public TMP underscore input field, word input field, public TMP underscore text, number text, public TMP underscore input field, number 1 input field, public TMP underscore input field, number 2 input field, and then private int input 1, private int input 2, and private int calculation. Then in the update method, type underscore word text dot text equals underscore word input field dot text. Calculation equals input 1 plus input 2. And underscore number text dot text equals calculation dot toString. And finally, we're going to make 2 public methods, one named input 1 and the other input 2. Inside of those, put int tryparse underscore number 1 input field dot text out input 1. And inside of 2, put int tryparse underscore number 2 input field dot text out input 2. That's all for coding. Now back in our scene, drag the text into their spots in the input field manager and do the same with the input fields. Then go into the first number input field and hit the plus under the onValue change string box and drag the input field manager into them. Then in the little drop down on the right, select input script, then input 1. Do the same thing with input field 2, but at the very end, select input 2 instead of 1. And now if we hit play, it should be working. I hope you guys get some use out of this. That's all for this one. Good luck with whatever you're working on out there.